Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the SYMA drone, and on the right, we have the ATTOP drone W10. It's like a drone cage fight, but with fewer bruises and more awesome features. So let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about the moolah. The SYMA drone comes in at $99. Not too shabby, right? But wait, the ATTOP drone W10 is here to crash the party with a price tag of just $69. That's right, folks, you can save 30 bucks. That's enough to buy, well, another half a drone probably. Now, what's a drone without a killer camera? The SYMA drone boasts a 1080p HD camera with FPV real-time Wi-Fi transmission. Reviewers love the high-quality camera footage and find it suitable for both beginners and advanced users. Meanwhile, the ATTOP drone W10 also offers a 1080p HD camera with a 120 degrees wide view. Reviewers appreciate the wide-angle view, but note some issues with connectivity and drift. Both are pretty sweet, but ATTOP's wider view might just edge out a win here. Next, let's talk control. The SYMA drone lets you fly using their app with fun features like a flight path mode. Reviewers find it easy to use with simple instructions, making it great for kids and beginners. But ATTOP drone W10 isn't backing down. It offers app touch, voice control, gravity sensing, gesture control, and remote control. You can even toss it to launch. Reviewers find it user-friendly, but note some issues with control range and responsiveness. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of drone controls. Flying longer is the dream, right? SYMA drone packs 2 powerful batteries for up to 40 minutes of flight time. Reviewers appreciate the decent battery life and quick charging. ATTOP drone W10 doesn't specify flight time, but it promises a safety flight experience with propeller guards and spare propellers. Reviews highlight its durability and safety features, even after a few drops. It's like having airbags for your drone. Safety first, folks! Finally, user-friendliness. SYMA drone is loaded with headless mode, altitude mode, and one key takeoff, land. Perfect for kids or beginners. Basically, anyone who can't tell their left from their right. Reviewers find it easy to use, with features that prevent crashes and make it a great trainer drone. On the other hand, ATTOP drone W10 is practically begging to be everyone's best friend with its one key takeoff, land, toss to launch, and altitude hold. Reviewers mention its ease of use and fun features, but also note some initial control difficulties. It's like having a drone that reads your mind, or at least your gestures. Overall, reviewers appreciate the SYMA drone for its ease of use, decent battery life, and high-quality camera, making it a solid choice for beginners and kids. The ATTOP drone W10 stands out for its versatility in control methods and safety features, though some users encountered issues with connectivity and control. So there you have it, folks. In the battle of SYMA drone versus ATTOP drone W10, it's a tough call. SYMA gives you longer flight times and clear views, while ATTOP offers more control methods and a lower price. It's like choosing between pizza and burgers. Both are awesome in their own way. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest comparisons. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.